Hi, I'm Stacy from Stoker Aesthetics, and I have a beautiful patient here, Nikki, who we're going to discuss a little thing called filler. More specifically, we're talking about lips because she originally came to me to fix her lip situation where she went to somebody else for lip filler, and over time, filler can migrate, and it did migrate in her lips. So my plan for her was to let's dissolve out that old filler so that we have a fresh palette to start with. Lip filler is a filler it is a hyaluronic acid gel that goes into the lips and anywhere actually on the face. But for her, we're going to talk about lips. So once we get done dissolving out the rest of her filler, she just has a little bit left in the corners that I want to get rid of completely. And then, just to give her a nice little soft pout, we're gonna just do a little technique called fencing to give her a little bit of a lift, but without getting too much volume. So we're gonna use a softer filler. There's a variety of fillers that we get to choose from. So I'm gonna pick the right filler that's gonna work for her to make her look natural and keep the beauty.